Good afternoon, I'm back. This is Aiman Nadeem. I'm a nurse from Southeast England, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about what are the things you need to bring to the hospital for your baby. So what's in my baby's bag when you are pregnant, when you're going to the hospital for your delivery? What are the things you need to bring, and what are the things the hospital provides? So if you are interested in this topic, please watch the video till the end. We are going to discuss exciting stuff, and I'll show you my bag. I'll show you the things that I brought to the hospital, and I'll also show you what the things they did not use at all, and it was just waste of money. All right, I was watching lots of videos just to see what are the things I need to bring. So I bought lots of stuff, and I did not use it. It was just a waste, and I'm still keeping it here on my shelf. And let's dive into the video, right? So first of all, I kept my bag ready again just for you guys, to show you how the bag should look and what are the things we should include in the bag, right? So this is my bag, right? It's my baby bag, a little bit Winnie Pooh, the Winnie Pooh. So it has lots of zip. I mean, there is one zip here, two zips on the side, and you can use it as a backpack also. And there are few zips inside also, where you can put lots of stuff like shampoos or pseudo cream, or the things just to hold, or a feeder maybe, because what happens is when you deliver a baby, maybe you won't get enough breast milk, so it's better to keep the feeder also, I would say. And formula usually they give you for one day, but if it's needed, but they'll just tell you which brand you should get. You can just buy it over the counter from Tesco or Boots or Superdrug, or wherever you can buy it from. All right, so let's see the stuff. I put all the things back in my bag just to show you guys. It feels so exciting. I'm thinking like I'm going to the hospital again. Right, so this is my bag. I went with it. I'm just going to show you the things for the baby only. All right, so the first thing you need is a tiny towel, a small towels for the baby, just to wash their face if you have to later on when they are born. Okay, and a towel, most importantly. The towel is very, very important, because what happens is when you deliver, they use the hospital towel and they'll just wrap them in the towel right away. I think it's not good idea, so better just bring your own towel. And like beforehand, you can give it to them. Like when my baby is born, you can put him or her in this towel. So just give them the towel beforehand, because having a towel is very, very important. And it's my cute little one. I love it. And my baby loves it. I have loads of picture of him in this towel. He looks so cute in this one. Right, that was the towel. The next thing we need is a blanket, a small blanket for the baby, because if it's cold. He's saying that I'm talking about him. So we need a towel, we need a blanket for him, just to wrap him. And because when you're going to change him in the hospital, or going to make him ready to dress up, then you should have a blanket, because it can get cold in the hospital, and it's cold in the hospital most of the times. So you need a blanket for him for sure. The next thing we have here is Johnson's baby shampoo. You can take it to the hospital. We will discuss the things I bought. I went with them, but we did not use. We'll discuss them at the end, and this is one of them. All right. The other thing you can have is your Johnson's baby lotion. It's important because when they give you the baby, sometimes you need to moisturize the hands or legs or the body, just to take off that white sticky stuff. And we used it. Also, you need pseudo cream, yes, for nappy rashes, but in the first few days baby will not get rashes. Then you need baby dresses, baby clothes. So I would say you need to have this sleeveless, half sleeves like this, at least 6 or 7 pairs. or 3 or 4 pairs. Yeah, half sleeves, because baby, they wet a lot in the hospital, and anything can happen. They can spill milk, so you need to have enough clothes, which is very, very important. So the half sleeves ones is very important, and you need to have enough of those, I'm telling you. The next one is long sleeves ones with the feet, if you want. Yeah, these ones I got it from Next, and they were like they were quite cheap. They were on the sale, but I got them for 11 pounds, and a full set, one half sleeve, one full sleeve, and a cap, and no socks, but a bib. Yeah, so that was 11 pounds only for this one, but I really like this white one. My baby is crying now. The next thing I bought was soothers. If you're going to give them to the baby, they are still in packing, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Right, I dropped something. So another thing we need is the muslin squares. They are very, very important. If you're going to bob the baby, you really need the muslin squares. So what are the muslin squares? They are just like a cloth, like this square sheet, and it's very thin. It's really good. I mean, it's super soft for the baby, so you can put it on your shoulder when you bob the baby, and it's quite handy. And you need at least 3 or 4 of muslin squares. Okay, 3 or 4, they are enough. He doesn't want me to make video. I cannot do anything. Next thing we have here is your long sleeves for the baby, like this, without the legs. These ones you need to have at least 6 or 7 pairs. So you can have 10 of these with the legs, 10 of these without legs but long sleeves, and the half sleeves, 10 of those. All right, if you're going to stay for 3 days, they'll be enough for you. So with this winter season, with this season now, you need to put on the half sleeves first, then this full sleeves without legs. All right, then on top of that you can put with the legs ones, the long sleeves with the legs ones, with this winter season. But if you are in summer, if you're going to deliver in summer, then you can have half sleeves, and if you want to use the long sleeves, you can use that ones, because these are quite comfortable. They are really, really good for the babies, and they love them. And I love the design they make. Yeah, like this far part at the end, at the back, you can tie it up in the front just to secure the nappy, and it's really good. It's quite handy. So if you are going to deliver in this season, just get 10 long sleeves and half sleeves, and the upper one also. All right, they'll be enough for you, because if you have babies before or kids before, then it'll be all right for you to change the nappies. You would know how to change the nappies and do everything. But for us, it was quite difficult. We didn't know. I'm a nurse, but I didn't know how to put the nappy on. So me and my husband, for our first nappy, we spent 10-15 minutes to change a nappy, and the midwife, she was looking at us, she was smiling, and she said, "You guys need hand?" And I said, "Yes, please, but for the next one, this one we'll try to sort out by ourselves." And we took 10-15 minutes. It was horrible. But try to buy a nappy pack and start practicing with a doll or with something. If you have any at home, you can try to practice how to put a nappy on. It's important. It's very, very important. The next thing you need to have on your bag is your bibs. This cute one, I really like this one, but I never used it. My husband doesn't like it, so we never use this one. And you need to have at least 10 nappy bibs, and they come in a different they come in different styles. I bought these ones with the plastic at the back, but they are very small. I mean, even from the beginning they were very small for my baby, so I never used these ones. And I have the other ones. They are just like towel, and you can only use them once only. I have them on the rail, but they are just they are nappies like this. They are nappies. They are bibs like this, but without the plastic at the back. So they are just the towel, as regular towel, but thin towel. So even at home, that time I didn't know how it will be, so I bought like 20-30 of bibs with that towel thing, and you can only use it for one feed. That's it. They you cannot reuse them again and again. So in a day, 5 or 6 bibs I need to wash. And if you're using these ones, still they are the same. They don't you cannot use them again and again, because the fabric they use, the fabric they use is very thin. The one I bought from Next, it was good because there's a plastic inside also, and there is towel at the back. So that bib from Next was really good, and you can use it twice at least. So you need to have bibs. It's important. The next thing we have is Pampers. Yes, Pampers. These ones, you need to have loads of them. Yes, you need to have loads of them, because when the baby is newborn, he wheezes again and again, like every 10-15 minutes the nappy is wet, and at least 5 or 6 in a day you will be using. So you can take one pack with you, and I have already made a video for you for a free pamper. If you want to get yours now, you can get those. And please do, you can share it with your friends and families also. If they have kids, they can claim one free pack of Pampers, size 3, 4, 5, or newborn, or 1 or 2, whatever size. They can claim it with my link. Yeah, so these are the things, these were the things I brought to the hospital. And also you need a changing sheet. So if you buy this bag, the one I bought, the Winnie Pooh, it comes with it. It comes with the changing sheet. It's just a sheet, okay? You can just use this sheet to change the nappy of the baby. If you have a changing station, you can put it on. I don't have a changing station, but I use this one, just a sheet. I just spread it on my bed or baby's bed, and I change the baby's nappy with this. So with this bag, it comes with it, so you don't need to buy it separately. But if you want to buy it, you need to search for nappy changing sheet, okay? So this sheet, you need to bring it to the hospital. The next thing we have here is, of course, your baby's wipes. Huggies, they are good. Yeah, I use them quite a lot, and the thickness of the wipe is thick. The thickness of the wipe is good. So for if baby poo or if baby pass stool, you use only 3 or 4 wipes, which is really good, and it cleans the moms very quickly. Yeah, so you need the wipes. What else I have here is, these are the scratch mittens for the baby, for the baby's hand. If they scratch or if it's cold, you can use them. My baby, he scratch a lot for his face, so I use them quite a lot. But when I put them on, he doesn't like it. He just take them off again and again. So the other thing is, if the weather is cold, you need the baby socks. Yeah, you need the baby socks, and just to keep them warm. Yeah. The most important thing for the moms, we are going to discuss in the other video, because baby is not happy for me making videos. I'll make the video next time for the mom's pack. For the mom's bag, what are the things you need to bring as a mom for yourself? So these were the things only for the baby. We are going to see the mom stuff in the next video. And so I told you in the beginning that I brought some stuff that I did not use in the hospital. So one of them is Johnson's baby lotion. We did not use it at all. We used it at home, and if you don't want to bring it to the hospital, it's fine. My sanitizer is not in my bag now, but I brought it to the hospital, because whoever comes to the hospital, it's better for them just to sanitize their hands, because sometimes in the ward, maybe your sanitizer in the ward is not working or something, or if your husband takes the baby out and you need to someone comes and they need to sanitize their hands, or if you meet someone, they need to sanitize their hand before they touch the baby. So give them your sanitizer always. It's good. So this Lotion we did not use. Baby soothers, I'm not happy to give them to my baby. I'm there always to talk to them, to talk to him. I'm there always if he needs something, if he needs his feed, or if he's in a mood to talk, I'm there. So I don't need a soother. It's not bad if you're going to give the soother to the baby just to keep the baby engaged. It's good, yeah. I'm just sharing my point of view, guys. So the next thing, Johnson's baby lotion shampoo we did not use because they say is you can bath the baby when you go home after 8 days. So we did not bath the baby in the hospital. So when we came home, then only we bath the baby after 8 days. Yeah, so you don't need to bring it to the hospital. The next thing we have here is the pseudo cream. You don't need it to bring it to the hospital because in 1 or 2 days baby is not gonna get rashes. But some babies, if they have sensitive skin, they may get rash. See, it's sealed. Until now we did not use it. Means I'm doing a good job, isn't it? So I'm doing a good job with the nappy changing. So you need to do the same, girl. If you are pregnant and if you are going to become a mother, you need to do your stuff nicely and be a good mom. All right, so these were the things only I brought to the hospital. And the stuff I did not use, I told you already. The important one is your towel and baby clothes and nappies and baby wipes. They are very like important. You must bring most of the things. You need them all the time. So you can just before start watching my video, you can just write them down because I made a list and I ordered them. One tip I want to give you here is do not buy clothes from Primark. I'm sorry Primark, but the clothes I bought from them, they are not of good quality. See this one, it doesn't look nice. Yeah, it doesn't look nice at all. There is the color is faded already. Even he just wore them only for 3 or 4 times, but the color is gone already with 1 or 2 washes, and the fabric doesn't look nice. So I have some shirts, sweatshirts and pants from Primark, and I'm not happy with them. So if you're going to buy the clothes for your baby, do not buy them from Primark. You can buy from H&M. Their clothes are really good. H&M or George Asda, their clothes are good. Tesco's clothes are good also. And also from Next. If from Next, they are quite expensive. Not really expensive, but a bit expensive than the usual ones, because from Primark, this sweatshirt and pant, you can get it maybe in 5 pounds, but from Next, their clothes are like for babies, they are from like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, but they are of good quality, very, very good quality. And then they look neat, they look very new every time you wash them. So just a tip for you guys. And yeah, better not to buy from Primark. And the bibs also, I bought it from there, from Primark, and they are like very, very thin towel quality, and with one feed they are just they're just messed up, and I don't use them again. And also after like one feed, if you keep them, if they're dry, they smell really bad also. So from Primark, I don't recommend you guys buying things from there, just the clothes, but the other things, they have good quality clothes also. So the other thing I want to say is these were the things only for my baby. In my next video, I'll make a video for mom things that we need to bring to the So I made this video on Rabi's request, and she requested this video, what are the things that she needs to bring to the hospital for delivery. So you need to make sure you bring all of these things with you in your baby's bag. And then you also ask that what do the hospital give. So hospital doesn't give you anything. You need to bring your own stuff, and you are going to use your own things also only. All right, if you're happy this video, you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can share it with your friends and colleagues also. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good luck.